Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities. So there is a direct hiring from 5D Solutions, Rare Crew and Veda. There is a direct selection process. Final years as well as freshers can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the job. First hiring update is from Rare Crew. Rare Crew is hiring for the off-campus drive for freshers. So they are hiring for the role of junior software developer with experience of 0 to 2 years. It means freshers as well as experienced candidate up to 2 years can apply for this opportunity. So talking about the skills, then as they are hiring for their software developer, then you should be having a knowledge in backend and front-end development. Where in backend, you should be having a knowledge in C# or .NET, and in front-end, you should be having a knowledge in Angular with a basic knowledge in SQL. So this is a direct hiring opportunity where you have to send your resume to jobs@rarecrew.com. If your resume will be selected, then you will be notified for the further process. Second opportunity is from 5D Solutions. They are hiring for the freshers role for QA trainee engineer with experience of 0 to 6 months. So freshers must apply for this opportunity. So you should be having a basic knowledge related to testing, that what is the difference between manual and automation testing. And if you are having any certification course related to testing, then it would be advantage for this role, but it is not mandatory. And this is a work from office job where you must be ready to work from office. So this is also a direct hiring where you can directly mail your updated CV to the below mail ID. Third opportunity is from Veda. So basically this is not a direct hiring process. They've invited for the application for trainee engineer recruitment in VLSI engineering and embedded system domain. So basically talking about the application, then they are providing the sponsored training related to VLSI and embedded system domain. So this will be a 6-month full-time training program which is fully industry oriented training, and after the training will over, they will only provide you the placement opportunities. So talking about the eligibility, then the candidate who are pursuing or have recently completed their degree in BTech, MTech, MSc in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Electrical Engineering, Instrumentation Engineering or Computer Science Engineering, they can fill the application form. So you must apply for this application before 12th of June. Talking about the selection process, so there is no direct selection process in the training program. You have to appear for the entrance test, after that the main test, and after that the interview, which will be in the offline mode. Only preliminary entrance test will be in online mode. After that the main test and interview will be in the offline mode. So if you are interested to pursue your career in electronics domain or VLSI or embedded system domain, then you can apply for this industry oriented training which is fully sponsored from Veda. So if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and internship opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidate up to 2 years, then you must watch, and according to your eligibility, you can also apply for the opportunities. So this much for this video. You can also share this opportunity with your friends, those who are in search of new off-campus jobs and internships. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, then consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.